Good morning, everyone. So, this is our second read of Let's Meet a Firefighter. Yesterday, we read chapter 1, and now we're going to read chapter 2, Toolbox on Wheels. Here we go. Firefighter Jim uses rescue tools for emergencies. He keeps the tools inside his fire truck. An axe opens windows. A fire hose carries water. Jim's air pack holds air. A fire can fill a room with smoke. The pack gives Jim clean air. He breathes the air through a mask on his face. In any kind of emergency, people can call 911 for help. I wear the air pack with my firefighting clothes, says Firefighter Jim. Firefighting clothes are called bunker gear. Safety is important when fighting fires, so firefighters follow the 2 in, 2 out rule. 2 firefighters go into a building to fight the fire. 2 stay out and watch for dangers the others can't see. Special pants and coats protect Jim against burns. This bunker gear keeps him safe in fires up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. That's hotter than most ovens. See, he's using this axe. He can use it to hit the door. He has his flashlight. That's a tool. So he can see. He has his mask covering his eyes. He has his air coming from here. His pants, his jacket, his clothes, his bunker gear, his boots, and his hat, they all protect him while he goes in to fight a fire. A fire truck is a tool too. It is also called a hook and ladder truck. Wow. A metal ladder on top helps firefighters climb 100 feet, 30 meters high. Ladder hook latch onto a roof. They keep the ladder steady against a building. Taking care of tools is an important part of a firefighter's job. Firefighters can clean their fire truck, they wash fire hoses and other supplies. Broken equipment is replaced. That way, their tools are ready for the next rescue. And we're going to stop here and we're going to read chapter 3 tomorrow about community heroes. So I'm going to talk about this word. It says steady. They keep the ladder steady against a building. So what does that mean? They keep the ladder steady. Steady. So when we did our Zoom read aloud, Kyer gave a good comment. He said that steady means still. So they keep the ladder still. Steady. So steady means still. They keep the ladder steady so the ladder will not move and the firefighter will not fall, because if it is not steady, it will move and he can fall down. So the word steady means not shaking or moving. Still, steady. Okay, so that's our vocabulary word for chapter 2, steady. Can you use steady in a sentence today? I would love to hear it. So send me a video, send me a comment of what you use the word steady for. I can't wait to see it.